If you're looking to sell your photos online, there are plenty of options available to you. The key is to find the best site for your needs so that you can sell your photos and make money in the process. In this video, I'll go over 5 of the best websites to sell your photos online and help you figure out which one is the best option for you. Take a look at my findings below and let me know if I missed any great options that should be included on my list. But first, welcome to my channel, where I show you how to make money online in the most basic method possible. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I release a new video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any issues, questions, or thoughts about it, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. And if you want the best way to make money online, click the link in the description down below. 1. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a global marketplace for artists and creators to sell royalty-free images, videos, and illustrations. You can earn up to $120 per image download on Shutterstock, and they also offer a referral program where you can earn up to $1,000 for each new contributor you refer. Shutterstock is not just for photos, but it offers various graphics and video clips as well. 2. Getty Images. Getty Images is one of the most popular places to sell photos online. They have a vast network of clients who are always in need of new photos. When you submit your photos to Getty Images, they will review them and determine if they are a good fit for their collection. If they are, you will be able to earn royalties every time one of your photos is purchased. 3. Alamy. Alamy is a great place to sell photos because they have a huge database of buyers and they make it easy for you to sell your photos. You can also set your own prices, which is great if you want to maximize your earnings. Once your account has been verified, you can upload as many images as you want. All that's left to do is wait for the money to come in. 4. 500px. If you're a photographer looking to make some extra cash, 500px is a great option. You can upload your photos and set your own prices, and the site will take a cut of each sale. Plus, you can earn royalties on any photos that are sold through the site's marketplace. Photography may not be your full-time gig, but with this site, it could become one. Sellers offer images for as little as $1, and buyers browse millions of options in search of the perfect shot. 5. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a great place to sell photos because it's a well-known platform with a lot of buyers. Plus, you can earn royalties each time your photo is downloaded, and you can set your own prices. The downside? It takes some time to get approved as an Adobe Stock contributor. You'll need at least 10 quality images in JPEG or TIFF format to submit before they will review your application. Once approved, there are restrictions on what types of photos you can upload and how many every day. You also have less control over pricing than with other platforms like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. If that doesn't bother you, it's worth signing up for this one. If you learned something new from this video, drop a like to it down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in some of the upcoming videos.